What's up, guys? Welcome back to the live stream today. So, thanks for joining me again. So, this is just a casual live stream. We want to do it as usual, okay? So, I've just gotten the access to this LBank Omni futures platform, and as usual also I figured out it would be more worth doing another live session to walk through with you guys what this actually is, how it works, and my update on my first impression. But today we are going to do some of the things that are very casual, which is we want to talk about anything, not only about trading. Since yesterday we already talked about the attitude, the behavior, and also the mentality of traders, especially on scalpers, right? So we talked about this quite for a while, and I thought it made sense to continue exploring it about trading. For example, how we can trade it together. So maybe I'll even get someone to jump in and chat with me during the live stream, so this is even better if I'm lucky. So either way, right? So this will be another round of the taking closer of the at the Omni feature, so stay tuned with me, guys, right? All right, just for the introduction, for the context of this Omni Futures. So Omni Futures is a LBank derivatives trading platform that supports what they call all chain, all asset futures, right? So this main thing that sets it apart from more traditional futures platform like it is actually using the LAL, which is the liquidity as launch model. So liquidity providers can quote and list instantly, which speed up how quickly new or niche token, including the long tail token, or we call it as a meme token, right, can get their own derivative market instantly. Okay, so there are a few other features that I want to actually mention today, but we already covered that on the previous day, on the previous week. So about the risk, this is worth to highlight. This is the platform that so far that I know that only use the risk control system with the isolated margin, or you can actually know it as a thing that having the maximum profitable mode, which is PMAX, and also here also you can actually open a position as low as 1 USDT, right? So that is what we actually have been through some of the time on the previous day, on the previous week. So and also today I'm going to do I'm going to do some of the short reels so that I can use it on my TikTok account, and introduce to TikTok user about these Omni features, and hopefully hopefully they will see Omni feature something like are more practical for more speculative traders. So let's get started. Okay, first off, I'm actually want to do the short reels for my TikTok content. So this is the idea, is to see all the things for the Omni features is easy, right? So this is something that I would really like to show it to you guys, to the TikTok user. Hold on. Okay, for those who already know about this Omni feature, I hope you can actually sync with me about this one. So I'm gonna try it out to make the content for the TikTok. So it goes right here. It's a bit scripted, I would say, but this is all about the content. So I need to be very carefully reading all these texts, so that when it comes to the video, in the TikTok, so the content will be more clearer and more easy to understand, even though I'm just mumbling any words, right? So let's do that, right? So first off, what is LBank Omni Futures? How about you try to click the button here and see if you can earn the profit today. So think of it like this. You see a coin trending on a meme or social media, for example. Remember the name and find it on Omni Futures, because it potentially will get listed on the same day as you watch it. On Omni Futures, you don't need to be an expert. You just ask yourself one question: is it up or down? If you think up, you click long. If you think down, you click short. So that's the whole decision about these Omni Futures. The system does the rest and tells you the maximum amount you can earn in a single trade. So it's quite straightforward, so try it out. So that's it about the how easy is the Omni features. So basically I was just telling about this thing right here. It's a long zone and short zone. So you simply need to just click on the button here if you think the market will go long, if you think the market will go short, right? So that part, which is the up, which is the question, ask yourself, right? Is it up or down? So basically that tells you that before you need to decide, that you need to have some of the strategy or even the plan or even the analysis for you to see that clearer. So not only like blindly do a trade and place a bet, or even place a position or opening position, right? So let's it's basically need you to study before you open any position, right? So the system does the rest and tells you the maximum amount you can earn. So basically it tells you that you don't need to be worried about the take profit or take or stop loss or anything related. If let's say you are missed out by, let's say you are fall asleep during your trading. So this thing usually happen in a normal trading platform, which is especially on derivative trading like futures or option, right? So with Omni Futures, you don't have to worry about that. The system does the rest for you, and then you can actually earn a lot by choosing the designated max ROI. So it is quite straightforward. You don't need to really read all the long material because we are lazy to read on that, right? So this is more straightforward and simpler. That's it, okay? And and then we go to the second one, which is the why Omni Futures listing keep changing. So before we go into this part, I think just to be clear for you guys, I think the music was too loud just now, so I've already lowered it down so that we can listen to my voice right now. Okay. Right, for the second short video, so I'm going to tell in the video about why Omni Futures market listing keep changing. Right. So here we go. So why Omni Futures market listing keep changing? Are you guys seeing at this list right here? So why does the Omni Futures list keep changing, right? So notice how the list of coin on Omni Futures changes all the time. So this is not a glitch. It is like a restaurant daily specials menu, right? So they are constantly adding the new and hot dishes everyone wants. And if the dish right here stops selling, so they take it off from the menu. So same goes to the meme coin in Omni Futures. So if it's dead, they will take it out. So you are always looking at the fresh and tradable market right now. So check out for more on LBank platform to see the Omni Futures platform. So how was it? Let's take a look. Yeah. Right, I think it's good now. Okay. So just now we talk about why the futures market listing keep changing. So this is basically what we have been discussed about it last time. So this is not a glitch. So basically this is the main this is the main thing, because they actually wanted to get all the coins in here in a fresh in a fresh form, I would say, right? So it's like a restaurant daily special menu. So every day it will keep changing because of the restaurant actually offers you some of the special menu of the day, right? So everything that happened that day will not be the same as tomorrow. That will be the guarantee for sure. So some of the day you will get lucky, some of the day you will get not lucky. For example, like today you are earning the coin from the troll coin right here, and probably tomorrow it will already disappear from the list because of the changing of the market, or even the liquidity of the certain market has become lower and lower, right? So that is what a thing that really interesting for me to talk about it. Okay, so the next one is Omni Futures specials. How about we go for another try, because I don't think the content just now is clear because of the song. Omni Futures specials. How about we go for another try, because I don't think the content just now is clear because of the song. Omni Futures specials. Okay, so for those who just joined me today, so I'm about to do something different today. So basically, I will create a new content for the TikTok for doing the short reel. So I'm preparing the short reel content and also the idea. So basically, it was scripted. Because I want to make it more clearer when I say it loudly, right? So when I say like casually or chill like this, it may sound like a mumbling, right? So probably if I do like a scripted one, the content will be clearer, so that I can post it out on the TikTok or even any social platform or social media that can be posted for this crypto education, I would say, right? So for the context, for those who just joined today, so this is the Omni Futures on LBank, which is a direct derivative trading platform that supports what they call all chain, all asset futures. So the main thing that sets it apart from the normal futures platform is the model, which is the AI model, liquidity as launch. Liquidity provider can quote and list instantly, which speed ups how quickly new or niche token, including a long tail or meme assets, can get their own derivative market. Okay, so there are a few other features I want to mention today again. So the risk control system with isolated margin and sub position modes, the maximum profitability modes, which is a PMAX, and how leverage works. So since you can open position with as little as $1 okay, so I'm going to try another round to be used in my short reel. So first of all, this is the introduction. So introduction about what is Omni Futures. Okay, so I hope later on we can just edit it, and then hopefully it will look great, I would say. Okay, so what is LBank Omni Futures? How about you try to click the button right here and see if you can earn the profit today? So this is the long and this is the short zone. So think of it like this: you will see a coin trending on a social media, for example. So you have to remember the name of the coin and find it on the Omni futures, because it potentially will get listed on the same day as you watch it. So Omni futures, you don't need to be an expert. You just ask yourself one question: is it up or down? Or if it's up, then you could just click long. If you think it's down, you can just click short. So that's the whole decision. The system does the rest and tells you the maximum amount you can earn. So that is quite straightforward. So try it out. We try to be more casual today, not really focusing on making a short reels content today. So I'm going to do some trade today. Hopefully it will get level again, like to 1000 of my test token testing, so that I can earn about $6 today. So let's see if anything here is interesting, so we can have a trade. So what we have just learned yesterday is all about the momentum, it's all about the trading volume or trading bar, and also don't simply trade or don't simply risk your money even at a small investment or trading. It kind of helps you to get you started, setting up your daily routine and improve your disciplines from time to time. Oh, that one looks good. I missed it. It's okay. Okay, let's see it. This one is only 400. Market cap, leverage, price change. Six hours. Let's try it out. Green and orange. I think green will need to change it to what color? Yeah, I think blue. Okay. Process maybe white. Okay. Okay. So, you guys can see the dumping right here. it's going back. That means it has the potential of the market will go steadily above this new support line. So let's wait for it. Look at the volume bar here. It's definitely the downtrend now. So, but the only question is we don't. Oh. It had reached to the same RSI previously. This one 19, this one is even worse, 17. So I was hoping that we will get some profit in here, at least like $2, even though the maximum profit that we should get is around, oh sorry, this is only what, $1. Okay, so at least we will get back $1.5. Oh my god. So listen up guys, so this is not a financial advice, I would say. Because I was expecting if the RSI was at the lowest part, then it should not get near that again, right? So this is basically shows that I was correct. I was wrong. So basically it's not, I think that my position is still opening at the moment. I'm sure it will start to close the market within a second or within a minute now, because it's no longer active, right? So let's see. The selling volume is crazy. I'm sure no one is buying it anymore. We got $3 more. Let's try it out. Or even how about we check on the similar coins, which basically in here, this is what token, Pocoyo, right? So basically the selling volume here is very high. So let's see if this coin will be get close or even list or even removed from the list. So liquidity is even better than the infinity coins, I would say. So lesson that we can learn here, so once the selling pressure is on, like this one, it even higher than the previous one, so basically you should you should not wait for more time, so simply add more a short position. Let's try it out again. So we need to find something that's similar to that market. So you don't want to enter the late enter at very late of time. So basically the position, you must open it earlier than this, right? So once it's go already the dumping, so you don't have to ride it more. I'm going to see the worst coin of the day, Creek. The hell? What the hell? Like this. Let's see if I can get this right. Eh? We just open the new position, which is long, because I can see the line here is not breaking yet. So let's get something in here. Close it. Don't be too greedy. And then let's wait for another one. I'm sure this time will be. I was in a good spot. Okay, that's good. Go. Okay. So wait for the profit on 100%, which basically $1 profit. Then I will just close it right away. Don't be too greedy. Stick to the plan. Oh no. It's okay, still correcting the price, I would say. The 5-minute chart does look good, so I think we are still in a good position. So it seems like the cross about to be happen shortly. So if the orange line right here getting near or get below the green line, or even if below the green line, and if it's getting crossed, so I would say that we must stop the position right away. Okay, and then probably to open a new position, which is the short position, but that also need to wait if it's happened. But let's see how it goes. No, 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 no. It almost closed. Almost closed my position. Let's wait for some confirmation in here. Damn it. Right, so let's move on to the second content for my short reels. We'll be posting on a TikTok. Okay, so just to let you guys know, so this content will be edited or we'll use as a short clip. So I'm going to cut it off into some part and then trying to make it content, putting the subtitles and all, so that it will be more eye-catching also. So this is the second content, which is the why Omni futures listing keep changing, right? So here it goes. All right. So this is about the why Omni futures market listing keep changing. Okay, so are you guys seeing this list on? Sorry, once again. Why Omni futures market listing keep changing? So are you guys seeing the list at the left side of the page right here? So why does the Omni futures list keep changing, right? So notice how the list of coin on Omni futures changes all the time. So that is not a glitch. It is like a restaurant daily special menu. They are constantly adding the new and hot dishes everyone wants. And if a dish stops selling, they will take it off from the menu. So it same goes to the meme coin. If it's dead, they will take it out immediately, right? So you are always looking at the fresh and also the tradable market right now. So check out for more on LBank platform. I will not trading it until it cross the EMA. So this one simply say that it's on the bullish momentum. not moving anymore. So let's say like this, if it's happened like this, I mean, if the gap right here, you can see it's more wider than this one, right? So meaning to say the bullish trend was clear. It will not get you something that are not you are expected, right? So basically it shows here, right, if it's formed like this, which is the EMA 921, so sorry, this one is 26. So it should be okay for you to do any entry. Damn. Alright, I'm going to do the third content, which is about what's so special about Omni Future. So again, this clip going to be used for the short reels or short videos that are about to be the content for in the TikTok, and I hope and hopefully the volume was not really that great, so that's why it's happening like this. This is another mistake, which is trading with the low volume. So why is that happen? Never mind. So this is about Omni Future specials, right? So I'm just going to hide that for the content. So what is so special about Omni Futures? So Omni Futures is basically built on three simple ideas. So one, it is fast. They list new and also trending meme coins and on-chain assets within a minute or even a second. So second, which is two, it is safe. That Omni Futures use the isolated margin, meaning your maximum loss is only the amount of your money you decided to put into that one specific trade. It doesn't wipe all your entire account. And three, the last one, it is simple, so just one long or short click to get in. It cuts all the complicated stuff. Right, so let's move on to the fourth content of the day, which is about the max ROI that you can earn or you can take profit using the Omni futures. So here we go. So this is about max ROI. So did you know on Omni futures each maximum ROI can be different? It's actually right here, right? So you can actually see in here. Here's a quick tip if you are using the Omni futures. So always check the maximum profit, which is the maximum ROI numbers before you click. It is different for every single coin and every single leverage. It's like each coin has its own speed limit. So some let you go up until 500% and some 100%, while some also have like 5 to 1000%. So just a quick glance that can help you pick the best opportunity. So let's see if you want to try it out and see for yourself. Okay. Once again, okay, so did you know on Omni features here each coin has a different max ROI? I'm going to choose some token which is more clearer. Where is it? Okay, so this is the bubbles. Did you know on Omni futures each max ROI can be different? So here's a quick tip if you are using the Omni futures. So always check the max ROI number before you click. It is different for each and every single coin. It's like each coin has its own speed limit. Some let you go up till 5000% and some might be like around 200 to 500%. So just a quick glance can help you pick the best opportunity. So I hope you want to try it out and see for yourself. Okay. What about Dave? Yeah, there you go. Be patient. Sometimes the position can be sideways in any time. There you go. There you go. Yes, that's good. Don't be too greedy. I just earned like $1.175. It can be more than that, but at least I just covered some of the losses in here. Let's try again. The volume is there. I don't know. Let's try it out. Alright, I think let's continue to the last content for the day, which is the difference between Omni and normal futures trading, right? So to make it more interesting, how to do a full screen? Does it have? No. Never mind, right? So the difference between Omni futures and normal futures trading. So what is my thought on this one? So basically, if you can see here, traditional futures are like a big supermarket. They only sell big, well-known brands, and while others sorry, once again, okay. Right, so different between omni futures and normal futures trading. So different between omni and also uh sorry different between omni futures and normal futures trading. So what's my thought? So the first one is the normal futures trading. So normal futures trading are like a big supermarket. So they will only sell big and well known brands. And while for omni futures is like a pop up street market, or even like real situation like a pop mart market, right? So it's all about new exciting trendy stuff that just came out recently. So if you want to trade the latest thing the moment it appears, omni futures is a place that built specifically for that. Sounds good, right? Yeah, I guess that will be all for the content. 5 content which will be posted on TikTok later on. I hope it will get a lot better than I'm expected. I think after spending some times with it today, or with trading on omni futures today, I would say that my thoughts are mostly still in line with the yesterday discussion. I'm still using the same concept or same strategy that we've been discussing yesterday, right? So I think the platform the platform was really about to show to us that if you keep doing it, then if you keep doing it, practicing it, you will find the solution. So basically it will tells you that one of it was about patience. So if you keep patient and also not greedy, basically you can earn something in here. I know this sounds might not right because of the losses that I've shown today, but still this is the best way for you to start as a new trader or even a scalper. The most important thing is you keep learning about it. So in case like this happening, I'm still seeing that this is one of the best learning because you are experiencing by yourself. I'm about to close this position. There you go. Looks good now. Looks good. Maximum profit I will get 5,000%. What the heck? The reason why I close is because the RSI shows that it's already reached to the top. And then if it's currently go pumping more, I think it will be a lot of more trouble, so that people would immediately sell at any time. So basically, if the RSI shows a line in here and then it's about to come out while do the pumping, then yes, I will not close the position. Oh, oh my god, this is not even 100% yet. So supposedly I should wait for sometimes. Rookie mistake. Oh, there you go. What the hell? going to change this to 125. Okay, because I think we are not going to use the oh yeah, still can. So basically I just want to test out if the maximum amount that we want to invest is only 5 and the lowest one will be the $1 only. Oh my god, maximum profit will be 99, which is $100. I think there are some things that I'm still observing in these Omni features, like how stable the execution it is, whether the features actually help in real trading scenarios. Because I can see that when it comes to the end of the trading, you kind of see that it has some glitch. I'm not sure about if it's my connection or even my Wi-Fi connection, right? So that one is not, and still observing, but overall I think it's been useful to walk through the interface again and test a few setup on stream. I would really like to talk about why the Omni futures is special compared to the futures trading. This is for the new joiners that just joined my live stream today. So welcome to the live stream for today's session. We will discuss a few things, but most of it are free flows. I would say we're just listening to the music, and we will talk about the Omni features as an overall, basically, right? So what makes it so special, which is the Omni features versus the futures trading, right? So this is the core of what they do in here. Let me break it down for you guys in the 3 simple points. So basically, this is what I've been trying to do, like a shorter version, but I think the longer version would be more useful, or even make it more meaningful for you, right? So this is the core, which is first one is a speed versus speed, and also the variety. So basically on Omni features, we are looking for a new opportunities, right? So on a normal future exchange like Binance or Bybit, or even the biggest KuCoin exchange, you can only trade big market, or for example like Bitcoin, or we say it as a established coins like Bitcoin, like all of these Bitcoin, Ethereum, and also Litecoin. So they will take weeks or months to get list a new token, right? So on Omni features, they list a new or even training meme coin on chain assets within a minute or even a second of them appearing on platform like the external platform. This is what we've been telling, which is the pump fund. So basically the pump fund is a external platform that get listed in the Omni features, right? So the benefit for everyone is you are not too late to the party. So when you see a new coin trending on the Twitter or even a social platform, you can actually trade it in here with the leverage or long long before it ever gets to the major CEX, or even or we call it as a crypto exchange. So this is about to get nasty now. Oh my god. This is the second time that oh my god. I feel so bad. Let's try trading all this coin. Just now we trade div and div, right? So how about this energy coins? Is still there or not? Right, this is now it's a good thing that we can actually see in here. So meaning to say it's about to perform the bull momentum again once they cross between these two lines, or uh two lines, right? So let's see about it. So yeah, basically they just cross to each other. Means that if the orange get near or above the green line or green chart, it will become the bullish again. Okay, so let's take a look on that. That probably will show or will perform another cross. So this is what the videos yesterday shows to us, right? So basically he told us that not that every cross that you need to trade, so be careful with that. So far this coin, which is the div coins, it's actually giving us a lot of new learning. Should be, see, there should be another cross right here. Be careful with that. I will not enter that. Don't buy this shit. How to see all the transaction happening in here? I'm not sure about that. Trade. Yeah, this is the. The reason why I do this is because it's just to compare between this. Is there any relationship between this? Let's say if someone buying it there's a lot of green right here in the transaction here, so it means that it's currently pumping. While if all red in here, don't ever get your entry or even a long position in there. So it's still green now. There's one people only sell, which huge amount of the transaction there. Still a good time for you to kind of buying it. Million, damn. Another million out. there's another million transaction coming in. So I was expecting the position here is now could be better. I'm not going to close the position for this one as it's just only like $1 invested, and with the 5,000 maximum profit amount that I would get. So basically this is just to another testing it again, right? So that's just it. So let's leave it there. So for those who just joined, for those who just joined today, so basically I just want to tell you guys about the new competition that currently happening, which is ongoing event. Let's see if I can show to you guys the link. Right, so this is the new competition from the LBank Omni Features first ever competition. So the campaign period is still ongoing, which is from 25th until 27th of November, which is around 3 days only, with 4 rounds of Kings battles, right? So the total prize pools here is only like 400 USDT for only I think like 3 winners only, right? Let's check on the official rules here. So basically this is so far the only derivative venue where you can short long with the meme coins, basically. So they kind of introduce the new joiner to see that every trader can enjoy a fresh way to trade and set a new target to hunt, right? So whether you are a short master, long legend, a multi-pair degen, this is your arena, so jump in and win your city, right? So basically it tells you that this is unique, so far the first ever that you can see on crypto exchange, where it is the established one, which is the LBank. So what you need to do is join the X Twitter account, join the Telegram, and you need to have these two account first before you join in, before you register. The form right here, so basically is just ask you to have your UID and also your Telegram and even your Twitter username, and then straight away after that you will get your fund, test fund, after your registration is approved. So how many that you will get is only like 1000 USD, same as what I'm getting at the moment, which is 1000 USD for now. Okay, so you must be in the official Telegram group to qualify, because they will post a live leaderboards there, update winner list in the group. Okay, so there's a 3 days, so right now we are in the second day, day 2, which is 26th November, Bear King and Bull King. So basically, what is Bear King and Bull King? Bear King, you will you will get the reward 100 USD, while Bull King also you will get the reward like 100 USD. So the rules is highest net profit and loss from short orders only wins. Metric total realized PNL from short position. Long orders doesn't count for this track. While for Bull King, highest net PNL from long orders only win. Metric total realized. So this is kind of the opposite to this Bear King rules, right? So the notes here, the same user can win both Bear and King. So basically you can actually participate in these two category and win maximum 200 USD in a day, right? So minimum requirements is to get more than 3 close trades. Daily notional volume is 500 USD. I think to get you that to that level, you must be professional enough to win this title, which is a king, right? So there also the snapshot, which is the windows time or daily windows, basically record starting equity happen at 12 until 12. So only close order are used for ranking. So basically if you trading around 11 or 10 PM and then you kind of expecting the result that you earn after 12, so that's not going to happen. So basically choose the time carefully, right? I would say don't trade like near 12 AM or 12 PM, because a snapshot will close, the window will close exactly on 12 AM or PM, right? So the eligibility is to qualify for any reward on the given day. You must have up to 3 close trades that day, reach 500 USD. Also this one is a bit similar, so you cannot there's a few risk control and fair play rules. You can read it here, and also there's a FAQ in here. So this is the latest campaign from LBank, introducing the first ever campaign about the Omni features. This is I think I'm going to switch to another coins, more other than Dave coin, but still I don't want to close this because it's only $1. All right. Oh, it's pumping now. Okay, so I think there's a thing that we can actually share or discuss today with the live stream. Is actually I was thinking about the max ROI. Why is it different for every coins? For example, like this Dave coin, some of it got maximum ROI around 5,000%, and some coin only like 100% only for the max ROI. So how does it work, right? So I think I just got the answer. Basically, it tell us that this is the coolest thing that can happen inside these omni features, and the things that you need that are mostly important about to understand about omni features. So the max ROI is not a random thing; it's a direct result of the LAL, liquidity as launch mechanism in action. So think of it like this. So different car has different top speed. So a family sedan might top out at 120 mph, while the Formula One car hits 220 mph miles per hour, right? It's the same with our contract. Each meme coin's top speed for profit is custom set based on the unique risk profile. Okay, so basically it will be based on the market profile. So it's all about the PMAX maximum profit cap. So when a LP launches a contract for a new coin, they analyze it and set a PMAX. So this is the absolute highest price a long position can reach before it auto close for profit. So a stable, less volatile coin might have a PMAX set very close to its current price. The journey from entry to cap is short, so the max ROI is lower, like 100%. Okay, so a hyper volatile new meme coin has a massive potential upside. The LP set a PMAX very far from the entire price. The potential journey is huge, so the max ROI is enormous. It's built-in risk gauge. The max ROI number is actually a powerful signal to you as a trader. So a 5,000 max ROI is telling you this is a high risk, high volatility, high reward asset. So buckle up. So 100% max ROI is telling you this is more constrained, lower volatility play. The profit potential is defined and smaller. So in a nutshell, the LP custom tailor the profit ceiling for each asset. So this ensure the risk for them is manageable, which in turn creates a safe and sustainability trading environment for you. You always know the absolute maximum you can make on a trade before you even enter it. So this is the power of the Omni LAL model. It gives you a transparent asset risk parameter that you just don't get anywhere else. So this is not about it's a features, it's a revolutionary. So hope that this one okay, right? So this is the explanation. So the max ROI is not simply tells you that you can win big by getting luckier. So basically that was not it. This is the high risk high reward asset. So big risk, big reward, simply defined like that. Okay, so this is the one thing that we have learned today. So basically if you can see the max ROI are at the same level, which is the 100% only. So it means that the coin is potentially less risk than the other coins. Yeah, like this, all 100%, maximum margin 833. This is confusing. All right. Right. This going to be the last topic. I guess for the last part, we should also cover the most basic things in here on this interface, which is about the open position button. I would say, right, a button in here at the right side of the screen right here, right? So we shall do this a super quick UI tool so you can trade with confidence. So this panel is all about letting you get in or get out the trade fast, right? So here's the button, so every button does here. So this is a long and also the short zone, right? So this is your trade direction, so you need to pick a side, either it go greens or it go reds. So if long, then it's green, right? So if you think the price is going to up, buy low and sell high. That's the most easy concept you can think to understand it better. If it's short or red, you think the price is going to down, you need to sell high and also buy low, right? So this is the leverage button, 1 until 50. So this is the power multiplier. It amplifies both of your potential profit and your potential losses. The key point in here is the available leverage are set by the LP for a specific asset. So the more volatile the meme coins might have a lower maximum leverage. Let's see if this coin here still 50x. Ooh, what is that coin? A more volatile meme coin might have a lower maximum leverage, like 10x to manage risk, while more stable one might go higher, like 50x. So far that I can see here is all in here have the same leverage, which is a 50x. So we shall see it maybe next time, right? So the margin button in here, maximum margin. So this is the amount of your own money you are putting into a single trade, basically, right? Okay, so this is your risk capital. Remember, with leverage, 10 USDT margin at 10x lets you control 100 USDT position. Okay, so it's literally saying you that if you open the position in here, and then with the leverage, and also with the leverage, it simply tells you that this is the own money you are putting into the single trade. So it's not your own money, it's a maximum, I mean it's a multiplier because of the multiplier itself, but your maximum loss is always limited to the margin that you put in. So 1, 2 or 5 only, not more than that, right? The big open launch and short button, where is it? Don't see it, right? So this one can be skipped. Yeah, that's about it. Okay. Right. All right, everyone. I think that's already concludes our 2.5 session today. So today we have covered a few things, which is about basic. Just recently, just now, we just covered about basic buttons that you should know as a new new joiners that just see this omni feature or just know about this omni feature, right? And then we also covered some of the strategy, or even I call it as a plan for today, because we just learned about it yesterday. So this is the first ever testing it, and I think somehow it was really do fine or do okay, because of the attitude that we just bring, we just bring and also apply, was really helpful in terms of managing the risk in here. So it's all about control your emotion, uh, improve your discipline, and also your greed to not spend all of the testing token at one time, because of this example could lead you to having loss of all the trading money, right? So remember, this is just exploring together. So this is just a testing. This is not even financial advice. Even I win some, but I also actually lose some. Not some, it's actually a lot today. So by looking at the history, there's only like 1 or 2 3 4 5, then the rest is all lost, right? So this is just my honest take and beginner friendly walkthrough. I just use the minimum leverage for now, because I know that what will happen if I'm using higher leverage, mean to say the emotion will be not really great for this one. So I'm probably not will continue to do another live stream after that. So we are just going to stick with it, right? So if you want, in the next stream we can do like testing higher leverage, for example like 50x, or with the open position amount maybe like $10 on, if you want to. So in the next stream, probably you can just chat to me and give it some opinion, also some suggestion in the chat, so we can do a live trade after that. So thanks for joining and hanging out. If you guys hanging in here and I did not see any one of you, I did not say hi, even say hi at all, so sorry on that. So stay safe, trade smart, and don't get jumped on, right? See you in the next live stream. By the way, I'm not going to stop the trade here, so we are just going to see it tomorrow together, so stay tuned on that. All right, we'll